Move back as far as possible.
Come on, my darling. You're getting out of time. I put in there some sandwiches for you and soda. Bus will arrive in a few minutes. Time to move on, my lovely boy. See you soon.
Oh no, my bus! I will remember this day forever. This morning, Dad went back to the service, and he didn't say anything. Just left while I was sleeping. I've only heard the door slam. War became a drug for him. Nothing can change his mind. One day, I will get his choice. But now, I'm just a schoolboy. He plays video games and hates everything. We just arrived, but I'm feeling so tired already. This place is the most boring place in the world. Just a wasting childhood's time. What do we learn here for a couple years?
Here we are. Hope all of you have prepared for our quiz. 1 more minute and we'll begin.
What? Oh my god. I forgot about this shit. So great. No idea about this. Lucky time begins now. I hope this is it. I think it fits. I think it fits.
Time is running out, folks.
It's a trash. I hope this is it. Maybe this one? Maybe
Time's
this
gone.
one?
Leave your sheets.
Hope that Mom won't notice about today's quiz. Well, I will be under home arrest for a week. With boring books and wooden toys.
Joe, is that you? Mrs. Rose noticed me that your results were so bad. I should talk to you immediately.
That's bad for me. I'm so hyped. I can't believe that the weekend is at hand. Finally, I've been waiting a whole week for the release of the new active duty part, as much as my hands itch. Soon, very soon, I'll be able to launch it. I hope that it will work good on my old PC. In vain whether the money from school breakfasts was postponed for it. My not used to it yet diary. My mother's gift for birthday. She always told me, if you had an idea, write it down. Perhaps someday it will be useful to you. Thanks, Mom. He is almost never at home. For the last time, he'd even say goodbye to me. Again, Dad doesn't even know how much I miss him when he's not at home. Are some soldiers more important to him than his son? What is there, in the army, that doesn't exist at home? Perhaps someday I can find an explanation for this.
Yesterday, a terrible tragedy occurred not only for the whole country, but for the whole world. The terrorist act took hundreds of innocent lives with it. The world is shaking. The situation in the country is heated with every hour, perhaps even every minute. World leaders convene urgent meetings to resolve the common problem as soon as possible. Is this the only way for leaders of the countries of the world to unite? This is extremely unfair. A few days ago, our state announced a general mobilization of troops in Afghanistan. I'm bursting with impatience to go there, even more than before the release of active duty. I want to tell my parents, but what will they say? Would they let their only child go where the opportunity to return is extremely small? You need to find out and approach, Joe. It seems that it's time to change an image. The form is iron and ready for service as well as I do. Parents found it difficult to decide on my conscientious choice. This form fits me, unexpectedly. It's a pity that my mom doesn't see this. I hope that she will recover ASAP and see me firsthand, and I will find her in good health. My father was against my decision from the very beginning. However, I firmly stood on my own and didn't retreat. They don't understand that I'm already an adult and have the right to decide for myself. And yet, they can't even imagine how much I will miss them. My father told me that it was time to start off. He's very worried about my departure. Thought, with all his might he tries not to show this. He's a soldier. He's not allowed to show emotions. The army brought up discipline in it. He couldn't, had no right to show weakness, because weakness is an extra burden that I would like to take with me.
Son, I'll be waiting for you outside. We don't have much time.
Sadness becomes too unexpected. I don't feel so good. Where are we going?
I prepared something to you. It's not far away.
So why are we doing this?
I just want to give you some lessons.
Dad, I'm not kid anymore.
You can't realize that this is the reality. Your imagination is wrong.
Stop it, please. I'm tired of this. You and Mom always talk to me that way.
Let me help you.
I don't need any help. If I'm wrong, that's my bad. Don't try to teach me.
You should listen to us. If you listen to, you'll avoid difficulties.
I'm on my point.
Son. Okay. It's up to you. Here we are. You should lessons before we go.
Dad, where did you find this?
Don't ask. That's your granddad's. And special for you. Okay, son. You have 10 bullets and 10 cans. You know what to do. Eagle eye. Well done. Close. Eagle eye. Well done. Miss. Perfect. Well done. It's close. Hold on, Joe. But you can do it better. I know. We're getting out of time and rain is coming. Let's move, Joe.
Father couldn't split up with me just like that. He said that there is another unfinished business, another important lesson that I must learn before I go to serve. Joe, Dad told me, I want you to be able to protect yourself there. In a war, there is no place for the weak and sorrowful. That's why, son, today I'll teach you how to shoot. Was I happy at the moment? Definitely. It was the shooting from a rear rifle. This photo is charged with such strong, positive energy. I can't stop staring at it. There, it was. It will remind me of our cozy home, of my mother, whose care and love I would never trade for anything in this world, of my father, whose severity and justice helped me to grow as a real man. Even far from home, they will be next to me, always. That's it. It's time to say goodbye. I rushed into Daddy's arms and couldn't let him go. Tears rolled down my cheeks. I couldn't hold them back. Dad told me that everything will be fine. Parents are always optimistic. No matter what happens, I can't stop wondering this ability. I fearfully noticed that he couldn't hold back tears too, and embraced me even more tightly. At that moment, I realized that there was never anything more precious than family and son in his life.
Listen up. First of all, I want to say that all of you have successfully passed physical tests. The most valuable person is Private Robertson in this class. He passed with outstanding results. His sense of purpose is amazing. Take an example. Now, Private Robertson, I want you to advance to the next classroom for medical support exam.